So back in 2017, I got a phone call from the assistant director from Team Spirit. They were looking to create the finale scene for this feature film, and they needed someone from the live event sector to design an arena show. The brief was to make the show look and feel like the kind of thing you might see at Wembley or the O2, and they came to us from our experience of working in those spaces to deliver on the production design, the stage design, the look, the feel, and also work with the DOP and content team to make sure on camera this really did feel like the real deal of a live event in a big London arena. So for me, this creative journey was really interesting because we had to create something that looked and felt like an event, but we also had to do it in a way that you could capture on camera. Now, it's an interesting question because often when you're doing an event, you think about the guest experience rather than how things look on camera. So creatively, we had to think about the camera angles and what opportunities that gave the DOP to get a certain look and feel from different angles within a closed-in environment. Because when you're a guest in an event, you can look around you, on camera you can't. So I had to start with that. So a lot of things were in a much sort of narrower range of viewing for a start. In terms of creativity, I wanted to make sure that the DOP had a lot of different platforms and canvases by which to get different looks and feels with the lighting. So we went for a very broad spectrum of production equipment in the space, using a lot of moving lights, beam lights, generic lighting, LED video screens, floor lights, so that when we were going through the rehearsals, we could create a look and a feel that really matched the kind of feel they wanted to go for on the filming days. I really feel that we can bring that level of live concert in a really authentic, real way to feature films, and I'd love more opportunities to do that again.